It's undeniable that human hair extension burgundy is one of the hottest hair color of 2023. Many customers love and choose to use human hair extension burgundy, but they often have difficulty in taking care of burgundy hair extensions. In this video, I will give you instructions on how to maintain the beauty of human hair extension burgundy. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factories. Burgundy human hair extensions last as long as real human hair and are thus more expensive than synthetic hair. Conditions like sun, heat do not fast damage burgundy human hair extensions. But in order to maintain the beauties of human hair extensions, you should follow the steps below. Firstly, please remember to always use cold water to rise your hair, since hot water might remove the burgundy human hair extensions' red velvet hue. Also, it's advised against combing burgundy human hair extension when they are wet, since they may become tangled and break. Secondly, avoid washing your hair too frequently. Burgundy human hair extension should ideally be washed every 3 days or more. The color of the burgundy human hair extensions fades more quickly the more you wash it, which is the cause. Also, if burgundy human hair extensions are often washed, the color cannot be kept for a long time. Thirdly, choose the appropriate hair care products. Pick shampoos and conditioners that moisture and add extra nutrients to burgundy human hair extensions. The shampoo without sulfates are your best bet. Last but not least, reduce the use of heat styling equipment and sun exposure. Your burgundy human hair extension will become damaged if you style them using heat equipment like flat irons, blow dryers, or curling irons. So, you should cut down on the amount of time you spend styling your burgundy human hair extension with heat. Moreover, don't forget to apply UV protective treatments on your burgundy human hair extensions. I hope that in this video, I have given you all useful information about how to maintain the beauties of human hair extensions burgundy and how to import it to resell. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me to this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos. Thank you and see you again.